What it do, y'all? PaisliePanda here, and I have a point that I like to share with you, which is Elgato's Streamdeck update for OBS 28. Inevitably, we're going to have to make the move, and I'm a big fan of science and testing. Why are things breaking? What still works? How do I update my Elgato Streamdeck for OBS 28? Will I have to recreate my entire stream? Let's find out. Timestamps are down below for your convenience. If you're wondering why things are breaking, it's due to OBS 28 doing an overhaul to their UI. You can see here in the notes, some plugins may not be compatible with OBS 28. You could check the status of the most common plugins on the OBS plugin compatibility page. I'd also like to mention that OBS 28 is in beta, and many plugins and extensions are currently working hard to upgrade the compatibility. If you would like to see the full list, I have provided the OBS 28 plugin compatibility page here to be able to help you better navigate this new update. You have your plugin on the left, followed by versions Windows, Mac OS Intel, and Mac OS Apple. We're going to check out the Elgato Streamdeck plugin. How to install OBS 28 compatible Streamdeck plugin. First, if you have OBS Studio open, please make sure you close your OBS Studio. Then you'll want to download the plugin installer for your operating system, either Windows or Mac OS here. After you run the installer file, you'll then want to download the OBS Studio plugin 2.0.3. You'll double click the plugin you have downloaded, which will then allow you to install the plugin into your Streamdeck. Streamdeck will ask if you want to install a plugin downloaded from the internet. You select install. Then you launch OBS Studio, and that's that. As an extra, I wanted to mention that before you make the move to OBS 28, that you export your current scenes. So that way you can save yourself the headache having to manually adjust and apply your stream settings and components. What you'll need to do is go to Scene Collection on the top, click there. We are currently on the collection in which I would want to export. You'll click Export, save the file at a location that's most convenient for you. And then once in the new version, it will look very similar. In fact, it will look like this. This is OBS 28, and you will import, and this is the one I imported, and everything I have is here, and all of these have thankfully returned without me having to place them all and put their filters on. Now, thanks to my Elgato Streamdeck update, I'm able to utilize this new function of OBS 28 at the touch of a button. Very handy. If this video was helpful, be sure to hit that like and/or subscribe button down below. You can even hit that bell for notifications. If you have any comments or questions, be sure to share those down below. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to check out my video. Much love, many blessings, and I'll catch you in the next one.